Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a video on Adobe Spark to make a personal portfolio or a personal website. I will show you how the website works and how everything can be done, and you can use your own creativity to create the website. Uh, let's start with going to spark.adobe.com. That is the homepage for Spark. Spark is a free website, but which you don't need to have any subscription. But you can, since you are an UNM student, you have UNM account, and that can be used. Though you can use free account, but I think there are a few limitations which can be found in the documentation, which I'm going to link below. You can start with login with school account. You can use unm.edu, and then it is going to redirect you to UNM website where you can use your UNM account to log in. Since I was recently logged in, I got in without any trouble. Here you can go to the web page from your left start, and this is the page for Adobe Spark. Here you can see there are very few options, and let me tell you a few things about Adobe Spark before we proceed. Adobe Spark is a very simple and a basic tool. You don't need to host your website to make a website, and you can create a website within 20 minutes. But since it's so easy and basic, there are going to be few cons. One of the major con for this tool is that the images, you cannot resize them. They have to match perfectly, or else they aren't going to look nice. Make sure you use your Photoshop or any other tool to resize the image. And another thing is, you cannot create a website with full features. You cannot have login features, or you cannot have, I don't know, PayPal, or you cannot make it as a e-commerce website. There are very few things you can do, but with limited features and function, you can definitely create a beautiful layout. It is easy, and you can make it as your portfolio for your work, or you can use it any way you want. Let's get started. First of all, we can we can start by designing the header or title. We can, since as you can see, we can have photo, text, button, video, photo grid, slideshow, and split layout. Use them. We are going to use them. Let's start with having a background photo. Here you can upload your photo from your computer or find free photos, or you can use Adobe Stock, or you can also import from your Creative Cloud or Lightroom. And as you can see, you can connect to different product. You can connect it with Dropbox, Google Photos, or you can connect to Google Drive. For this project, since I'm just showing you, I'm going to use photo from my computer, so I'm going to upload it. I'm going to use this as my background. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to put it over here. Let's go to the top, because this is where I wanted to. Okay, this is a top, and we can use the same thing. Now, since we have a background, we can add a title. Since I'm making this as a creative campus, this is what I'm going to write. But then you can pick anything. As you can see, this is how it looks right now. But then we have this option for theme, where we can change how it looks like. Yeah, I think this looks better, but then there are several other options which you can choose. And also you can see add your brand. This is where you can use your brand specific color or font so that it looks consistent throughout all of your projects. Uh, just make sure you check that if you'd like to use it to market your brands. Next thing you can do, you might have seen, is we can add one more feature. So this time I'm going to add a split layout. I'm going to add an image over here and a description over here. So this is what I can do. I'm going to upload it again from my computer. I'm going to use this image, and here I can add a text. I can write anything. Okay, I don't want everything to be in caps. As you can see, we can also change the theme for this. There are several themes that we can have, but since I like this theme, I'm going to keep it this way. As we move below, we can do several more things. We can just add a text, and right. Oh, we can also add video. So we can simply add links. I'm going to go to the Creative Campus, and then I'm going to add a tutorial link. I can simply copy the YouTube video, and I can add a link, and now it's done. And as you can see, I can also add buttons so that it leads to my home page. Here you can see this is going to redirect you to creativecampus.unm.edu training and tutorial page. You can use these features, and I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to add a photo grade, and I'll photo grade, and let's see. I can add a photo grid, or I can also add a slideshow. I'll use the same images. I can add them, and this is how it's going to look like. I can add a text. I can add a text. I can also drag the text around. So I can drag the box so I can have it wherever I want. As you can see, I can edit the photo, I can change the focal point, I can delete, and I can also add photo, text, button, or video as I want. These are the basic tools, but then using this tool, you can make a portfolio or a personal website within few minutes. Now, let's say after you are done, we can just to check, we can use the present feature. and this is how it's gonna look like. As you can see, we created this website within 5 minutes. So I think this Spark is a very useful feature. And after this, we can publish. We can publish, and this is going to create us a link where you can share it, or you can use it in other places. And this is your final product. As you can see, there are very few features, but then there are a lot of things you can do with this. You can use your creativity, and if you need anything, please visit our website. There should be information. And if you'd like for specific training or tutorials, you can email us, or you can let us know in the comments so that we can help you for your specific project. And if there is anything else, please comment us. Thank you.